What's going on today, guys? My name is Skywalker, and today I'm doing my face reveal. And as you may know, yeah, in real life I'm a raccoon. Yeah, I'm a fucking raccoon, and I play video games. Yeah, I'm like the first ever raccoon to play video games. Or PlayStation 4, better said. And also to have a YouTube channel. Also to play soccer, also to play this, play that. Well, I can do many things. I can do many things. Yeah, and my voice is a bit squeaky, so thank you. Yeah, really squeaky. Super squeaky. Amazingly squeaky. Super squeaky. Amazingly squeaky. Super squeaky. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying squeaky now. Yeah, I'm gonna stop saying squeaky now. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is my face video. I'll talk to you guys later.